Christmas tree milkshake, a gummy wheel necklace, and chocolate candy earrings? Find out how to sneak Christmas candies into class in our new video. Miss Smith is everyone's secret Santa this year. She snuck delicious presents to the girls. These are pens with treats. Cut a heart out of a jelly candy. Use a cookie cutter. Make a hole with a straw. Coat the candy in sugar. Take it off the straw and put it onto a pen. Make a few candies of different shapes. The blue-eyed girl and Jessica find hearts and flowers covered with snow on their desk. They're so cute! These pen tops are just finger-licking good. Try it! These candies just melt in your mouth. And Jessica has some amazing pens. Unscrew a pen with decor inside. Take it out and fill the pen with Nerds candies. Look, it's a pen with a secret. There are some itsy-bitsy candies hiding inside. The blue-eyed girl recognizes them with her super sharp vision. A few candies in class won't hurt anybody. The girls understand right away that these sweet pens are the work of Miss Smith. We need to repay her with an unusual Christmas gift. The blue-eyed girl has an idea. Take 1/4 of a big green paper circle and cut out the central segment. The height of the remaining part should fit a bottle. Use the cutout segment for the top. Attach the piece to the bottle using double-sided tape. Fasten it with hot glue. Hot glue the top to make a cone and cover the bottle with it. Cut a pine tree branch shaped like a leaf out of green felt using scrapbooking scissors. Hot glue it to add dimension. Make felt branches of 2 shades. Hot glue them to the paper base row after row. Start from the bottom. Arrange the following rows in a chessboard order. Decorate the tree with little Christmas tree ornaments and streamers. Attach a star to the top. The girls give Miss Smith a tabletop Christmas tree. Hi, my green friend! But there is something inside suspiciously splashing. Is this actually a watery Christmas tree? Miss Smith opens up the pine tree cap. There is a delicious drink hidden inside. It's a Christmas tree milkshake. Let's have a snack and keep going with our class. The girls arrange a Christmas food market on their desk. There's literally anything you want in here. May the food fest start! But Miss Smith won't put up with this behavior. She did get kinder after the gift, but the rules are rules. Hide all the treats immediately. The teacher's orders can't be ignored. But we can still trick her. For example, we can leave an Oreo on the desk. It's alright, because it's just an eraser. Make an imprint of an Oreo cookie on light clay. Let it harden. Mix building silicone with cornstarch. Add brown coloring and stir it very quickly. Shape the mass you get into 2 cookies. Make imprints with the light clay stamp. Attach the halves with white silicone when they are dry. That's an amazing trick! A cookie that erases pencil marks! But Jessica pulls a better trick. Her pencil substitutes an eraser. Plus, it has a candy. Knead white Fruittella in your hands. Add a drop of green food coloring to it. And a few drops of red food coloring to pink Fruittella. Roll the candies of 2 colors. Twist them around each other. Wrap the candy cane you get around a pencil eraser. A new model of erasing pencil with a bonus candy. And an Oreo eraser? This is the best holiday collection of erasers. Eat a real cookie and erase pencil marks with the fake one. Just don't mix them up. Miss Smith arrives in her new look. She looks like a Christmas tree wearing her new earrings and that bright necklace. She's a real expert in sweet accessories. Attach jump rings to gummy wheels. Connect them with a chain to make a row. Make a sweet triangular necklace using more candies on chains. Miss Smith sneakily eats her necklace while her students are distracted. This accessory looks pretty nice on our teacher. It emphasizes her individuality and love for candies. It seems like the girls figured out their teacher's secret of beauty. Her earrings are not actually Christmas bells. They look way too tasty. Hot glue a piece of gold ribbon to a Hershey's Kiss. Put it onto a blank hoop earring. Add a pearl. Bend and prick the ribbon. Interchange the ribbon and pearls. Cut off the excess. Miss Smith willingly parts with her accessories. The girls try on the candy goddess look. Jessica looks very nice as a Christmas candy queen. And the blue-eyed girl enjoys a treat. Jessica chews her bubble gum very loudly. She would take the first prize at a chomping contest. Miss Smith hears the sound of her jaws moving. Jessica is even ready to share her bubble gum with her friend, but this is way too much. Then the blue-eyed girl offers Jessica some hidden bubble gum. Take some sticky notes out of a plastic box. Put in bubblegum sticks instead. Disguise the wrappers with sticky notes. Chewing gum sticks are lurking in a sticky notes box. Jessica is back at it again. Shh! You should chew quietly and without anyone noticing, like a ninja. Jessica snuck weird Christmas bookmarks into a book. And the blue-eyed girl smells her favorite chocolate right away. Take a fabric candy cane decoration and make a small cut in it. Attach a paper clip. Hot glue felt leaves to the front. And attach a Ritter Sport candy to the center. Make a few bookmarks with candies. The girls are trying really hard not to make noise with the wrappers. We should watch out for Miss Smith not to figure everything out. We are almost there, but Miss Smith has a built-in candy detector. She takes the Ritter Sport away. The Christmas candy disguise was all for nothing. But at least our teacher lucked out. The blue-eyed girl has something interesting hidden in a paper wrapper. And what is Miss Smith looking for? Her youth? No, she's just looking for a book. Here it is on the blue-eyed girl's desk. Cut out a rectangle in an old book with a utility knife. Draw a layout of a box to fit the hole on cardboard. Cut it along the lines and fold it up. Glue the box inside the book. Put in chocolate pretzels. Miss Smith asked the girls for a textbook, but it turns out that there is actually no text inside. There are some chocolate pretzels instead. So this is what you've been doing in class? And love for studying has nothing to do with it. The blue-eyed girl has a candy stash, and it's hidden in her Christmas pencil case. Paint snow on a metallic pencil case with white and blue acrylic paints. Attach a felt Santa hat onto it. Remove the tray and fill the pencil case with little cookies and candies. The blue-eyed girl secretly crunches on her secret snacks, and she's not going to share with her friend. Her greediness won't end well. The blue-eyed girl eats so many candies that she needs a drink right now. But where does she get it? Jessica is coming to the rescue. She takes out her Starbucks school supply cup. Coat a plastic cup with white spray paint. Trace the size of the cup on a Styrofoam food tray following a template. Cut out a divider. Put on the cap. Mark a line for the divider in the center. and a hole for a straw. Cut it out with a utility knife. Paint the cap green. Hot glue the divider inside the cup. Put the cap on. Attach a Starbucks logo to the cup. Fill one side of the cup with school supplies. Stick a straw into the other half with coffee in it. The blue-eyed girl is at a loss. Why would Jessica give her pencils when she wants to drink? But Jessica lets her in on the secret. This is a Christmas surprise. There is room for a drink in this cup. The blue-eyed girl is saved thanks to her generous friend. Classes are finally over. Miss Smith lets her students go, and she can take a rest. After she puts her phone onto a handy sweet stand. Cut milk flavoring straws. Hot glue them to make a tripod. Attach a wooden spatula crosswise. Decorate it with another straw and a long chewy candy. Put a gummy fish onto a toothpick and attach it on top of the tripod. Miss Smith didn't notice the moment she finished all of her candies. The only thing she has left to do is drink some sweet milk. What a nice end to a workday! Did you like our tasty school supply ideas? Then write in the comments how you will sneak Christmas treats into class. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new school life hacks on Troom Troom.